Yeah, let's get to the latest developments that has happened last evening, where after multiple failed attempts, finally the first round of talks that happened between the West Bengal government and the agitating junior doctors. After 4 unsuccessful bids to initiate dialogue to resolve more than a month-long deadlock, the delegation of nearly 35 agitating junior doctors visited Mamata Banerjee's Kalighat residence for crucial talks at around 6:20 p.m. Let's get you a big breakthrough that came across from this meeting that happened last evening, as Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has ceded to at least 3 out of the 4 demands that were kept forth by the protesting doctors. She has agreed to the demands there. One is the removal of 2 top health officials of the department and the chief of the Kolkata police. Along with it, the police chief of the city's north zone, where R.J. Kar Medical College is situated, the hospital where this heinous crime took place, will also be removed. And though the impasse is solved, the protest and the siege work, which is now expected to continue till formal orders are issued in the morning. So that is a big development that has now taken place. At least many of the demands out of what had been kept forth by the agitating doctors have been accepted by the Mamata Banerjee government.
हमने कोशिश किया हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में जो जस्टिस उन्होंने मांगा, हमने कोशिश किया हमारा पुलिस जो सीपी को हम चेंज करने का फैसला किया है, उनको साथ बात करके उनको कॉन्फिडेंस में लेके, उन्होंने भी नहीं चाहते थे जितना उसका खिलाफ में बहुत सारे बात उठाया। उन्होंने भी कहा कि हमारा भी परिवार है, हमारा परिवार को अच्छा नहीं लगता, इसी के लिए हम भी छोड़ने चाहते हैं। उन्होंने खुद डॉक्टर लोग जब मिलने गया था तब उन्होंने बताया। और हमारा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट का 3 की पोस्ट है, जैसे डीएमई डीएचएस ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, इसको पैनल करके प्रोसेस करके तभी कर सकता है। तो अभी हम चीफ सेक्रेटरी को बोला है कि प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को लेकर बात करके इसको अभी आप लोग देखभाल कीजिए, जब प्रोसेस हो जाएगा तब हम देखेंगे। ऐसा बात हुआ है। हेल्थ में भी उसको 3 ऑफिसर को ट्रांसफर का बात हटाने की बात किया, लेकिन हम 2 मांग लिया। इससे ज्यादा हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम 99% मान लिया। I am not saying anything which is when the matter is sub judice. My humble request to all the junior doctors, whatever they demanded, out of this 4th demand, what is with us, we accepted 3 demands and we requested them to join the work so that commoners should not suffer, there should not be more and more death from the commoners. And nowadays when we are facing dengue, malaria and also flood-like situation. BBC Panchayat Tenughat, the dam, they have already released too much water. And these 2-3 days we faced acute rainwater also. So both the Ganga river ponds were overflowing, and after releasing the water from Jharkhand, it's an acute problem.
All right, Sabyasachi is with us right now. Sabyasachi, good morning. As far as multiple demands that were kept forth, if you can tell us what those demands were and how many demands that have now been ceded by Mamata Banerjee government.
Well, see, the junior doctors had put forth 5 demands towards the state government, towards Mamata Banerjee. A, they want the speedy trial and punish the accused as soon as possible. And secondly, they wanted that the principal health secretary of the health department should be removed, along with the DHS as well as the DHA. Now, along with that, the junior doctors demanded that the Kolkata Police Commissioner as well as the DC of North Kolkata should be removed from their particular post. Now, Mamata Banerjee yesterday, after holding a meeting with the junior doctors for several hours, the state government has decided to finally remove the Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal. Mamata Banerjee said that Vineet Goyal will formally hand over the charge to the next Commissioner of Kolkata in today evening, as well as the DHC and the DHS has been removed. Now, as far as the Principal Secretary, Health Secretary is concerned, Mamata Banerjee stated that at once she cannot enter the health department, so she has asked for certain time from the junior doctors, and now she has requested the junior doctors to return to their work immediately, because out of the 4 demands, 3 demands has been fulfilled by the state government, and Mamata Banerjee urged the junior doctors to return to their work because the patients...
And with the assurance that has been given that no action would be taken against the protesting doctors. However, the doctors continue with their protest. Of course, celebrations that have also been taking place. Sabyasachi continues to be with us. Let's get you that breaking update.